How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of Solana on our Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open your Phantom Wallet app and make sure to log into your wallet. Now in the home page, as you can see the Solana. Now click on it. Now to be able to get the withdrawal address of Solana, now just click on receive. And as you can see here, you can copy the address from here. Now go back and open your Binance app. So after that, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets. And now from the top bar, click on spot and now click on withdraw. And as you can see in the search bar, now type Sol like that. So after you find the Solana token, now click on it. Now after that, click on send via crypto network. And as you can see in the address, just provide the address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet of Solana. In the network, there is only one, it's Solana network. Now in the amount, you can type how much you want to transfer like that. So after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Solana on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.